We got a still boy out here. Oh, this dude's lagging like fucking crazy, bro.
Focus Raynar next.
Help him.
Oh fuck, Nasi, I'm sorry.
Too many in the back. Zach's not.
T-Lash, I got T-Lash. I need a heal. Okay. Thank you. I need a heal. I need to stand back. Careful. Nice. Nice. You're fucking nuts, man. Right end. Green piece.
He's dead. He's dead.
Green piece. Green
Nos,
piece.
I have a campfire down in the door. I'm out of mana.
Down. I'm on Raynar.
Where's he at? Where's he at? Where you? Where? Ah, I fucking missed. What the fuck? Just botted that
Gas
up, brother.
behind you. Gas behind you.
Where's that little fucker? Yeah, he's ass, bro. He's ass. He's so ass. Yeah,
Nos, get the fat Thursar. Get the fat Thursar, Nos.
Raynar's gonna die right here.
I think that's a bad idea.
Can't find Jack Dick in a stronghold. I've really got to finish this fucking stronghold, dude.
God, what the fuck is going on?
Yeah, we're good. We're good. Yeah.
Parry up.
Yeah, I parried the fuck out of this dude. He ain't shit.
I'm coming. What's the difference?
Come here, boy.
I'm trying. I told you guys not to go out without me.
Not an hour, you're an idiot. And you told me to swing, and I did, and I hit you in the head for 44. So, yeah, you're
Where's
good.
Shiva? Where's Shiva? Is he dead?
I'm at stronghold. I'm good, baby. No, let's get out of there, dude.
Got you, bro. I got you, bro. Holy node line.
Oh, I'm lagging like a bitch right here.
Yeah,
dude.
that's the load line.
Why you talking shit, dude? I just shit on you.
You guys are outnumbering us this bad, and you're talking shit. Fucking idiot.
I show up and you guys gotta run.
Oh, fuck.
I need heals bad. Thank you. Delta Whiskey's back to full. I can push their mage. Their mage is Enogen.
Oh, I'm down.
No, not the horse that just came. Little victories, I guess, right? No, this is a decoy. I'm gonna push the mage.
Yeah, come on, boy.
Push Delta Whiskey now. Push him. He's down. He's down. Get him.
He lashed him. Get Zach, get Zach, get Zach, get Zach. Zach's purified.
Oh fuck.
Focus Gus. Or Greenpeace. Focus Greenpeace now. I'm good. Don't worry about me.
He's dead.
Gus, Gus, on Gus, on Gus. Oh, that dude ain't running. Lucho, Lucho.
I'm out of stam. I'm stammed.
I'm
The
not.
horse time to be stammed. Get him,
not.
baby.
Lately I've been laying in my bed. Quarantine season
Zach,
got
Zach,
me really
move,
in my head.
move.
I've been penned up in the studio, surfing on the net. See a lot of motherfuckers talking shit, little
On me, Gus just hit me.
Get hit, I don't even give a fuck if the dude is really big. Even 6'5", motherfuckers could die. Yeah, the big bad bullies be bowling for Columbine. Let the AK spray like Mandalay Bay.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go back. We're gonna have to go back. They're gonna res at the stronghold, pick up their gear.
You can tell everyone tweeting.
Yep,
doing
they're
it
already
right now.
picking it up. They're already doing it.
Sleeping on me, you wanted beef, homie, go see.
Greenpeace, he's the one that's still having that set, that reptile set of that big fucker that was talking shit. No matter of fact, that was heavy characters.
Motherfucker, bring the meat like you eat at Arby's. Grim Reaper to the beats, I go so freaking no seeds.
I'm gonna go around the other side of the stronghold.
Yeah, he's slow. He's going all the way around, all the way around. He's not here.
Lately I've been laying in my bed. Quarantine season got me really
Backside
in my
right
head.
now.
I've been penned up in the studio, surfing on the net. See a lot of motherfuckers talking shit, little bitch.
Hit him, Nos.
Feeling low, damage taking a toll. People praying for my
Alright, there's more loot around front. I'm gonna take it real quick.
I'ma give them
Yeah.
a bone to pick if they wanna
Nos, step left to right.
For the channel, my inner mic Vic, cause I'm always out of pocket when I scramble like an egg, going ape. All the
Oh,
shit
no.
I toss you like Jay Cutler, cause of all the shit you
No, and I don't have niters.
Losing SD cards, all the picks you lost to the
One more, Nos, one more.
Bitch and a mental game, so every time you try to play your dick goes off. Viagra couldn't fix you, dogs caught a vet, and I ain't talking about a red sports car. You could run, hide, but only a matter of time. Get mossed like a pigskin ball. Other words, you get caught like Offset, cheat and talk shit. Get hit harder than addiction withdrawal.